Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out GALA's price chart. And if you remember, basically in every single video previously I was calling for a move down in GALA in order to take the lowest low down here about, let's say, 1.25 cents. And if I just hide everything, okay, we finally got our move down. Now, a couple of months ago I actually put a pending order under the lowest low down here, and recently by this move down my order got activated and I did buy a bit of GALA because I think this is probably an extremely bullish pattern playing out in here, and we talked about it in the previous update. I'm thinking probably we are having a Wyckoff accumulation pattern in this structure, suggesting in GALA, number one, downsides are extremely limited, and number two, after our move down is over, we're gonna have a move up, and in that move, let's say, okay, we're not even going to have an altcoin season, and generally in altcoins we are just going to get some sort of a normal bounce. Okay, even in that case I expect GALA to reach to about these areas between, let's say, 7 to 10 cents. Now let's say you want to buy GALA right in here about 1.3 cents. What's going to be your stop loss? Let's say you want to be extremely conservative and you want to say maybe like under half a cent. Okay, at that point you are going to have 0.7 or 0.8 of a cent for your stop loss. Question, what's going to be your target? Again, let's be conservative. Let's not call for an altcoin season. Let's just say GALA is going to go to somewhere around the 8 cents area, which means you're having about a 6 to 6.5 cents target. And that, my friends, gives you the risk to reward ratios of about, I believe, 1 to 9. And I don't know about you guys, for me, this is insanely good. That's why I want to buy GALA right around the lows. I did buy a little bit, but I think if we get another move down, I'm probably going to buy a lot more. Now, let's go on maybe, 15-minute time frame and see what is happening in like very short term. So I think so far everything is going according to this plan, suggesting from this point this is an impulse into a wave 1 to around here, correction for wave 2, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 back down into wave 3, correction for another move down into wave 5, which on a higher degree this white 5 wave down is actually going to be into wave 3, and according to this scenario, maybe the current move up is just a corrective movement into our wave 4, and after it we may or may not even see another move down into wave 5. Again, I want to be very clear, since in GALA we already took all the lows, I don't really believe that in here we are having any unfinished business. So for all we know, we can even get our bounce back starting from the current point. But again, if we get another move down, please do not worry. This is very normal. Odds are this is going to be our last move down, and then we can expect a very strong recovery phase to show up. And again, right in here, from my point of view at least, it's going to be a fantastic buying opportunity. Also, let's go on crypto.com charts, because I believe candlesticks in that chart do actually look a bit better. Okay, let's zoom in more. There we go. So what do we have starting from the lowest low? Unfortunately, I think this looks a lot more like an ABC zigzag rather than an impulsive structure on the upside, and this kind of got confirmed when in this move down we took the low of our B leg. So again, according to my primary scenario, maybe in GALA we are having a correction, and after it's over we're going to get another move down. But if we're not going to do this and from here we are going to get a very strong bounce back, I'm not really going to be mad about that at all. Generally, these areas, in my opinion, are great buying opportunities, and I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in GALA's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.